Coming up, we'll be on location at Bethesda Rock Dental in North Bethesda, Maryland, discussing the benefits of dentistry and how they can give you the beautiful smile you've always desired and improve your overall dental health with two of this region's top dentists, Dr. Teny Abrahamian and Dr. DerMinassian. Dr. Abrahamian received her DDS degree from Georgetown University Dental School, and Dr. DerMinassian received her DDS degree from Howard University College of Dentistry. Both these dentists are widely regarded as two of this region's top dentists. Welcome, Dr. Abrahamian. It's a pleasure having you on our program.
Thank you for having me.
It's your first time, in fact, on the Top Doctors interviews, and I wanted to begin, if I may, Doctor, by having you tell us what some of the benefits of dentistry are.
Teeth are very important in your smile, in your overall looks, to look great. It's important in your speech to be able to communicate with others. It's important in chewing the food to be able to have a better digestion. Some of the benefits of dentistry help the overall health. It helps with the confidence and the self-esteem of a patient.
Now, what effect does dental health have on our overall health, Doctor?
Your oral health affects your overall health. Bacteria and inflammation in your mouth can affect your kidneys, can affect your heart. There are many diseases and conditions that are related to the inflammation in your mouth. You can have premature birth, diabetes, all affected by the oral health. And it's very important to have good overall dental health in general.
Yes, no, that's a great point, Doctor, because a lot of folks don't realize that their dental health actually does and can affect our overall health, including some serious problems down the road if the oral health is neglected, like you just mentioned.
Absolutely.
And I wanted to ask you, Dr. Abrahamian, what are some of the more common dental problems that you see here with your patients?
Some of the most common problems with patients are gum disease, number one, cavities, missing teeth, gum disease being the primary because that can lead to so many other problems.
Very interesting. Now, I wanted to ask you, Doctor, if you can please tell us about your unique approach to dentistry that you utilize here.
My unique approach has always been, in the past 25 years, to be very conservative, to treat every patient as a family member and do the best as a team together to help the patients to be at ease, do painless dentistry, and be comfortable.
Yes, because a lot of folks don't realize, because we have that apprehension, right, of going to that dentist,
Yes.
But we know we have to, not only for dental health, but as you just mentioned a few minutes ago, for our overall health. And it's great to know that you utilize that customized, painless approach where you and your staff and your colleague and everyone here at your practice really goes that extra mile, I might add, to take care of each and every patient.
Yes.
We're now going to meet a patient at Bethesda Rock Dental and Dr. Abrahamian. Welcome, Ellie. It's a pleasure having you on our program.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
We always appreciate it when patients take time in their busy lives to come down and share some of their experiences with us. And in particular, with your case, you are a pediatrician, so
That's
Dr.
right.
Ellie.
Oh, yes, that's right.
We thank you for coming down and joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Now, I wanted to begin by asking you, Dr. Ellie, if you can please tell us how long you've been coming to Dr. Abrahamian as a patient, because I understand it's been many years.
I have never seen anyone else but Dr. Abrahamian since the age of 3. So if you do the math, that would be 28 years.
My goodness, that is a long time.
It's a long time. Never seen anyone else.
And can you please tell us about, through the years, what your experiences have been like?
Sure. Dr. Abrahamian was the very first person who taught me how to brush my teeth, how to floss, and what's interesting is that she always made it fun for children because, you know, it's terrifying to go to the dentist.
That's right.
I've always loved going. I've had so much fun coming here. She asks about my life. That's how much she knows us individually as patients. And then she has such a story that she tells children when she has to fill cavities, things like that. So personally, I've had a few cavities, issues with teeth grinding at night, and she has taken such excellent care of my teeth that anywhere I go, honestly, I've had people compliment me on my teeth and say, who did your dental work?
Absolutely. And in
So-
fact, I understand that your whole family has been coming to her.
I think we have about 20 plus family members that come here, family and friends, actually. And my husband, who initially was very reluctant because he's from the southern part of Virginia, switched over because we moved up here, and he has just loved coming here ever since.
Now, that says it all right there.
Yeah.
And before I let you go, Dr. Ellie, any additional thoughts you'd like to share with our viewers?
I want to say that Dr. Abrahamian is one of the kindest souls that I've met. She truthfully memorizes everyone, not only by their face, but by their teeth. That's what an interesting physician she is. She's brilliant, she's intelligent, she's incredibly friendly, and genuinely cares about each patient. As a pediatrician, we applied fluoride varnish for our children. It's not enough. And so each child really needs to see a dentist for the whole length of their lifespan. And this really shows the importance, especially me who's been here for 28 years.
That's right.
You know, how important it is to keep that rapport with a dentist your whole life.
Absolutely. And over here, as you just mentioned, it's not just you as a patient, it's you as part of the family here.
That's right. Absolutely.
And
So,
on that note, we'd like to thank you, Dr. Ellie, for taking the time and
problem.
sharing some of your experiences and being a guest on our program.
no problem. Thank you so much for having
It
me.
was our pleasure. Welcome, Dr. D. It's a pleasure having you on our program.
Thanks, it's great to be here, Alko.
And I wanted to begin by asking you if you can please tell us what some of the latest treatment options are that you offer here.
So as general dentists, we're basically quarterbacks for your whole dental treatment. Whether we do all of your treatment in-house or refer you out, we coordinate with everyone involved, we keep up to date with you, and we do this to make sure your treatment is seamless, painless, and nothing falls through the cracks. So some of the treatments we offer here at Bethesda Rock Dental include things like night guards if you grind or clench your teeth. We offer invisible braces for anyone who'd like to straighten their smile. We offer dental implants for anyone who may have a space or a gap where they've had an extraction before. And even something as simple as a cold sore, we offer creams and laser treatments for that as well.
And I understand you also offer state-of-the-art cosmetic dentistry.
Yes, we do. Actually, we do only white fillings for smaller procedures. If you need crowns or you'd like veneers, we do all ceramic. The ceramic we use now is very strong. It holds up very well. In addition to that, we offer 3 levels of whitening, all by the Opalescence brand. We have a basic level of whitening, which are pre-made trays, which conform to most people's teeth. The middle level is custom trays, where you take the custom trays home and you use a gel. It can be anywhere from a week to 2 weeks, depending on the result you'd like. Our highest level of whitening is our chairside treatment. It can be done in under an hour, and often with that, we will also send you home with custom trays as part of that treatment as well.
Very interesting. You have a
Yes.
wide range of treatments
We
you all
try
offer.
to have everything that's available for our patients.
Now, I wanted to ask you, Dr. D, what kind of results can the patients expect from all these treatments?
Oh, our patients get fantastic results. They're generally very pleased. They don't only look better, they feel better inside and out.
And as far as follow-up visits go,
Yes.
Dr. D, can you please tell us what are patients looking at? And I always put in the disclaimer that I'm sure it varies and depends on which particular treatment they had, so on and so forth. But in general terms, what is somebody looking at?
Absolutely, you're right. It does depend on the procedure, but overall, depending on what you've had, we do like to set up follow-up appointments. We want to check on you and make sure everything's going well. And in addition to that, we do always recommend and remind everyone to see their general dentist between 2 and 4 times a year for regular checkups.
That's certainly good to know.
Yes, absolutely.
Now, Dr. D, we're literally out of time, but I wanted to ask you, before I let you go, you and your practice, Bethesda Rock Dental here in North Bethesda, Maryland, have certainly established a reputation for excellence, not only in patient care, dental care as well. I just wanted to ask you what you feel helps you, Dr. Abrahamian, and your practice stand out on the level you do compared to most other practices.
Well, here at Bethesda Rock Dental, we really want the patients to be comfortable. One way that we manage dental anxiety is that before we start the procedure, we set up cues with our patients, and that way, if you need to stop, take a break, ask a question, we can immediately stop. The patient is in full control the entire time. Patients really respond to this. It makes them feel like they are our friend, they are our family. As we've said many times, we really care about everyone that walks in our doors. Our main goal here basically is to create relationships that last a lifetime with our patients.
Well, on that note, I'd like to thank you, Dr. D, Dr. Abrahamian, before you in today's segment, for educating us, enlightening us, telling us about the benefits of dentistry and your unique approach that's helping so many people each and every day in this region. It was our pleasure having you both on. We'd love to have you on again in the future.
Thank you. The pleasure was ours.